Do you wanna make bread? Yeah? Okay, first we're gonna pour, help me pour it in. Pour the flour and the sugar. We're making challah bread. Salt. And put that in. Okay, do you wanna stir it?
Yes, please.
You stir it in there. The whisk. I have our yeast. This is our yeast and water with a little bit of sugar. Good job. Here, let me see. Well is what it's called.
But I want to try that.
And that's where we put our eggs. Egg and the egg yolk. And then we'll do our oil. You come back? We're not doing turning it on yet, baby. You're nervous about the sound?
Yeah. And I want to try.
Okay, look, we gotta do it. Well, she quit. Now I'm gonna add my yeast. Maybe. Knead it for 6 to 8 minutes. So I put, do you see the hook? This is called a dough hook. You gonna do it? Come on. Oh, are you tall enough? And we'll knead it.
Hello.
Okay, so it's been rising. You wanna check it? Here's our dough. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna try to divide it into 3 sections. You touch it? Does it feels funny? Oh, don't lick it. Here, wipe your hands.
Delicious.
Okay, so we got it in 3. Now I'm gonna make it into a worm. You make it into a worm. Just pull it like this, baby.
I don't know what it might be.
Try to make it into a long...
Worms are hard.
Okay. Okay, so what did we do?
Let's
We-
try this.
Did we make it into worms? We did. We stretched it out and then we braided it. And now we get to let it rise again. You put the towel on it. Dun, da, da.